Thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video.
Hello all, and welcome back to another episode of my apartment makeover. As you guys know, I have been working on this apartment from scratch. We completely gutted it. We did demolitions, renovations, and now we're working on room makeovers. In the past, I have done a complete kitchen transformation from like the raw materials of the building to what it is now, which is looking like this, which is so nice and modern looking. But today I want to take it to the next aesthetic level. So I'm gonna be making a couple of DIYs, buying a bunch of appliances and kitchen supplies, cute ones, of course. I'm currently feeling like I don't want to move because girl is on her womanhood cycle, which is not very smart on my white couch, but I'm willing to take the chances. Speaking of color on a white surface, that is kind of what I'm doing today because I'm trying to add a little bit of color and a little character and a little fun to the kitchen because it is quite plain and simple right now, although it is very nice. I also have to solve a couple storage problems, like where I'm gonna put the garbage, because I kind of want to do an under the sink solution. I've always wanted to have one of those pull out things, so I'm gonna see if that's possible. Lots to do, so let's get started. I am now in the garbage can aisle. I'm looking for a pull-out trash can, and they have tons of options here, which is perfect. I found this gray one. It has the two trash cans that I want because I want one for garbage and then one for either compost or recycling, but I wish it was white. They do have white ones, but like they're single tub. You know what? I'm just gonna get the gray one. It's literally gonna be hidden under the sink anyway. Hello. I am back home in my comfy clothes. Let me do a little haul and unboxing for you. The main squeeze that I got, this trash can. Oh shoot. Why did I just assume that it was gonna fit? You know what? I just believe it's gonna fit. I also got these two organizer trays, but now that I'm really looking at it, I'm also not sure if this is gonna fit. Guys. What have I done? It does not fit. Why did I not think about this beforehand? I guess I could put it over here, it would fit. Ideally, I would have it over there. This is not a priority right now. Let's try installing this guy in. This is what we're working with, right? I'm a little bit scared. Whoa. Okay. This. Let's see if this fits. Please. Oh my god. Height is working. Let's see if length works. Please. This will be so perfect if it works. Oh my god. Is it working? No. No. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. It's literally so close to fitting. Bro. Boo. So disappointing. I didn't really take into account the fact that this whole pipe in here comes out. Because technically if this wasn't here, it would be able to fit all the way in. It literally fits perfectly this way and height-wise, just not depth-wise. I'm gonna have to look into ordering another system because they don't have any other ones at Home Depot. I'm gonna have to repackage this and return it. No! Okay, now while we wait for that fiasco to be completed in future time, I'm gonna focus on something else first, which is the fridge. I feel like the fridge needs a little bit of pop. It needs a little bit of, wait, what am I trying to say? A little edge. Got some blue going on. Too many TikTok references. I kind of want to add a decal to the fridge, but I'm not sure if I want to do it here or on the front or like on the bottom. Regardless though, the way I'm gonna be making that is with my Cricut machine. Now I just want to say thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. I've worked with them so many times because I'm literally obsessed. I've made so many cute aesthetic projects. I made my statement bathroom wall with the Cricut machine. If you don't know what Cricut is, they make smart cutting devices that can cut vinyl, paper, wood. They can etch plastic. I've done all of the above. And it works with a free, super easy to use design app called Design Space that I'll show you in a second. But essentially, I kind of want to make a decal that's very like uplifting and cute, but not like live, laugh, love vibes. Like something positive, but not cringe. So there's a fine line. How do you make something motivational, but not cheesy? That's the task at hand. So I am going to look around in Design Space and we shall see what we can come up with. If I'm going to be putting it on the front here, then I will probably use black vinyl. But if I put it on the side here, then I probably want to use white. Originally, I wanted to do something on here because it's black and like kind of I feel like is a big contrast from the countertop and the cupboards, but I feel like it might be a little too busy and like distracting here, especially if I'm gonna be putting like cooking utensils and like salt and pepper and like oil and stuff there. The initial idea was to like do something here to make it look cuter, but now I feel like it doesn't really need it, so I might just go on the front here. Okay, let's go into Cricut Design Space. So here I am in Cricut Design Space. You literally do not need any design experience at all because I found these really cute graphics in Design Space that I'm just pulling into my project, and I'm just customizing it a little bit to make it the exact design that I want, but it's already pretty close. Like I wanted this cartoony sun character, so I literally just typed in like cartoon sun and this popped up. Yeah, I'm just like adding a couple more stars, removing the bottom text, and this is the graphic that I decided on. And then I'm just gonna send it to my Cricut machine to cut out on my removable black smart vinyl, and it just like loaded into the machine, press cut, and it just like does its thing. It's so satisfying to watch. But if you also want to make this, I will have this design in my design profile linked in the description. After I finished cutting, I just cut off the excess that I don't need that I can save for a future project, and then I just weeded out the negative space, and this is also so satisfying to watch. Everything about this is just satisfying. But look at how good this turned out. It's so detailed and like the cut is so crisp and high quality. I'm obsessed. So I just kind of placed it onto my fridge where I wanted it, and then I just ripped off the transfer paper. It like turned out way better than I expected. I was kind of like hesitant because I was like, I don't know if this is exactly what I'm going for, but it's like better than I imagined. And I also used removable vinyl so that I can swap in and out different types of designs if I ever get sick of this. Okay, I wanted to make more aesthetic projects, so I have these coaster sets from Cricut, and I'm going to be using infusible ink transfer sheets. I'm gonna show you how I use these because it's actually so insanely cool. Can you tell Cricut I'm like literally your #1 fan? Anyway, so I pulled up these really cute coaster designs in Cricut Design Space, kind of just changed the color to see like what I wanted them to end up as. And then I also made a couple of my own custom designs with some flowers and glow up club text from before. I also used the previous design from the fridge just to like have some continuity. Again, I will have all of these designs linked in my design profile, link down below if you want to also make these. Highly recommend. So now I just cut out a piece of the infusible ink transfer paper, stuck it onto my light grip mat, and then I just loaded it into my Cricut Maker 3 to start cutting. Okay, these are the cutout pieces, and look how detailed and fine the cuts are. I literally would never be able to do this by hand, so this is why I love the Cricut so much. Now I'm just gonna weed out the negative space that I don't want. Okay, these are all the final pieces ready to be transferred onto the coasters. So I just gave my coaster a little good wipe. This one is the circular ceramic one, so it's like super heavy duty and good quality. I placed my design onto there, and for each of the Cricut materials that you buy, there's like super easy instructions online that you can follow. So I just followed the instructions. Then I used my Cricut Easy Press, which is like an iron, but it has like a timer, and you can customize the temperature and timer, which is so convenient. This one called for 400 degrees at 420 seconds. Once the timer beeped, I just took it off, let it cool down, did this for all of the ceramic coasters, and then I moved on to the square ones, followed the different instructions, did the exact same thing, and then it was time to peel off the plastic to reveal our designs, which I'm literally dying at because these are so cute. They turned out way better than I expected, and I can't wait to use them. I think they look so cute. Honestly, I have kind of been falling down the beige rabbit hole lately with my apartment, so I feel like I needed a pop of color back in. I feel like these coasters are the perfect subtle way to add it back in, and I'm just so excited to drink more water because I feel like at this point the only way that I drink more water is if things are cute. So I will be busting out these coasters. Yeah, I know so dramatic. Hello all, I'm back with a vengeance. Me and Dua. I reordered another garbage system, and hopefully this one works. It is much smaller, so I feel like it's gonna fit, but I guess we'll see. Oi, I'm a kid. Oi. Oh, there are two in here. This is the track system. Before I do any of this, I'm gonna need to see if this fits. It's gonna be like this. Oh no. Oh god. This is a joke. This is actually a joke. Oh my god. Okay, so that's an absolute fail once again. Oh my god, me and Dua Lipa are not having good luck today. I'm determined though, I'm not giving up. I'm like, maybe I should just give up on the slide out thing and just use a regular garbage can. But I've always wanted to slide out. I'm gonna try. To restore the faith, I got some other items that will hopefully make things a little better. Oh my god, beautiful. Wow, I got this kettle and I wanted something kind of beigey to match the kitchen. So I got this one that kind of looks retro. It's supposed to look like this. Look how beautiful. I love how this fits with the aesthetic of the kitchen. It's so muted, so it like blends right in, but it's also a little bit of color. I love it. Okay, next up, something that kind of matches. It's a toaster! It's the same color as the kettle. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. Wait, these two together like this? Oh my god. Look how cute that is together. Do it like this. So cute. Last package. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh! Oh! Whoa, what's that? A hat. Let's see what I can. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is my little tub of kitchen utensils. I obviously have to wash these first. I think I'll go toaster here. Kettle. Is that cute? So cute! It also came with these measuring spoons, so I'm gonna put these in the drawers. I don't know what to do with these kitchen hooks that they came with. I'm not sure what they're supposed to be used for. Oh, maybe I hook it onto stuff. Cool!
Welcome to Garbage Can Fiasco Round 3. Will we complete the mission this time? Stay tuned for like 5 seconds to find out. What I really liked about the system was it came assembled, so I could just slide it into the under sink area directly to see if it fit. And would you look at that? We have finally found our perfect match. Then it was just time to drill into the bottom part so that it was completely secure and would not run away. Look at how good that looks. Oh, it just fits in there so nice and snug. Welcome to the kitchen, my queen. You deserve to be here. I'm so proud and happy that I finally have my pull-out garbage can. I just feel like such an adult.
I'm back from the thrift store. Ignore the pile of junk over there that I have to throw away. Generation junk. Anyway, I'm here to do a little thrift haul for ya. These are all the things that I bought, and I'm so excited about these. I'll do the glass things first because I don't want them to break. So I got a bunch of glasses for water. These were all $1.99 each. I actually got 6. I don't know where the other 2 are right now, but I definitely got 6. And then I got these champagne flutes. I only got 3 because there were only 3, but I feel like I'm not gonna drink champagne super often, so I feel like that's fine. And then I got these 2 plates. Look at how pretty. I love these kinds of plates that have the small edge to it. I think it's just so nice and like sleek. And then I got another one that's kind of like that, and it's kind of got some speckles in it, which I really like, and it's pink on the back. I know it's not actually handmade, but it's got a handmade ceramic feel, which I really like. Okay, I was literally standing there for like 15 minutes trying to decide. I also asked you guys on Instagram which teapot I should get because I don't drink tea, so I have no practical use for any of these, but they're so cute. So I ended up getting this one because most of you guys said to get this one. So it's a little like pink pot with daisies on it. It's so cute. I feel like I could use this as a mug, you know? And then I got this paper towel holder. It was $4.99, and I literally was looking exactly for a wooden paper towel holder because it matches the aesthetic of the kitchen. Now I can put my paper towel on it. Does it not fit? Hello? Wait, what? Does this come off? Oh, I see. There we go. Look how cute! And then I have to put all of these into the dishwasher.
And while all of my little dishes from the thrift store and my new cutlery are in the wash, I'm gonna unbox another exciting package that is going to transform me into the ultimate domestic girl, wifed up era queen that I've always wanted to be. Pots and pans. I am now big steps above microwave water boy, so I would like to pat myself on the back for that.
Hello, I wanted to do one last haul for you guys of some really cute items that I got, and I feel like this will just take everything to the next level. I got a couple of mugs. By the way, I will link everything that I bought down below if you guys want to check that out. These ones are from Urban Outfitters. Look at how cute. I got another one. And then I got the cutest cutting board of all time from this small business called Mummy. I think it's amazing, but I cannot use this for actual cutting because I want to keep it in pristine condition. So I think I'm gonna use it more as like decor and like charcuterie board vibe. I'm like embarrassed at the amount of money that I spent on this because in and of itself, it was a little bit pricey, but I don't mind that because I'm supporting a small business. But because I live in Canada, the import and duty fees on this were insane. Literally nothing can happen to this board because I will be losing so much money. Anyway, I'm going to put these into the kitchen and then I'm gonna show you the final reveal. Welcome to my kitchen. I realized it actually doesn't look so super different than what it did before. Like I obviously have things in it, but I didn't change any of the actual structure. It just feels more like homey and like custom. I'm just so excited to use everything. I love this little corner. It's probably my favorite because everything is so retro and matchy. And I love that the like checkered pattern carries throughout on the coasters. And I can't wait to start cooking and be so domestic girl. I will link all of the linkable things below if you guys want to buy any of the things. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you can check out my song How to Love right here, or you can check out the entire apartment makeover series from the start right here.